everyone. Today we read the book, The Reason for Sneezing. The reason for sneezing is very quietly. You breathe in some dirt and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dirt. Your body will digest it. It's soot and it's mud. The way that you sneeze is a way the same information is sent to your lungs from your brain. Many muscles contract to push that sneezing through that your diaphragm, belly, and chest muscle too. Your eyes shut. Your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This forces your nose to blow that grip out and blow out it is blown with a great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour. Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know this will cause you to sneeze a lot too. Think of a sneezing as a natural alarm. A sneeze is a defense that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind a comment. Cover your nose with your arm or your hand. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.